Welcome back to this video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to change input language on Android phone. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this guide useful, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial about how best to use Android phone. With that being said, let's get started. All right, so the very first thing you need to do is to simply head over to your phone settings. So I'm going to click on my phone settings right here. Then after click on your phone setting, next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down. So you have to scroll down to the bottom right here where you have languages and inputs. So click on that. So it takes you to this particular page. Okay. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on languages right here. Just like so. And it presents you with different languages that you can simply change your Android phone to. So we have from English, Francico, you can scroll down and see more languages right here. So by default, these are available languages that you can use on your Android phone, and everything depends on the version of phone you are using. From your own end, your languages on your Android phone might be more than what you have on my phone screen right here. So basically, this is how to simply change your input languages on Android phone without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial on how best to use Android phone. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.